Want to see some magic? Hand me that tankard of ale, and I'll make it disappear. She's perceptive for an old crone. I'm a mage of the 4th rank, a master of the most arcane secrets and forbidden lore. Now, what does one such as you wish with Cramaleico? My time is precious. Aha! So you commanded mastery over primal energies unseen by most, and you wish to wield them once again. A noble endeavor to sate a powerful lust. I know it all too well. If Nadini sent you to me, then I know you can be trusted. But I am not a selfless soul. If you wish my help, I want yours first. I tell you this only because of my trust for who sent you. I am part of the resistance against Strom. One of our allies, a man named Arias, has been taken by the Red Hand, Strom's loyal soldiers. He was taken to White Sands Isle, where I believe they will torture the old man and execute him. Yes, I do. Arias is not just an ally of the Resistance. He is also an agent of the Aquilonian throne. A servant of the only sensible choice. To reach White Sands Isle, you must take a rowboat from the north of the harbor. And with you facing Strom's Red Hand guards, you'll need something more than courage to survive. Take this. Use it well. Could the Red Hand have used White Sands Isle before, as a place to torture and execute their enemies out of sight of others? The bodies are always found in the south, near a hill that stands with a house atop it. Now, go. Farewell for now. I'll be right here if you need me.